Have you ever found yourself mesmerized by this sleek, battle-hardened armor of the Deathwatch in Warhammer 40K, Space Marine 2? If you're a fan of the game, you know the feeling all too well. The Deathwatch armor set is not only visually stunning, but also a status symbol for players showcasing their dedication and progress. So how can you get your hands on this coveted set? To acquire the Deathwatch armor set, you must collect each piece separately, and that requires a significant amount of armory data. Um, Gathering enough armory data means dedicating considerable time to completing missions within the game. But don't worry, the armory data you accumulate can also be used for weapon and skill enhancements, making it a task that's definitely worth your effort. In Space Marine 2, each item in the Deathwatch armor set is acquired specifically from one of the successor chapters. The Deathwatch left pauldron comes from the Omega Marines, the Deathwatch helmet from the Carcharodons, the Deathwatch left greave from the Storm Giants, and the Deathwatch left gauntlet from the Red Scorpions. You can locate each individual part of the Deathwatch armor set in the Unknown Foundings section of the Astartes Heraldry at the Armoring Hall. One of the great things about Warhammer 40K Space Marine 2 is that you can perform operations multiple times, and more are planned according to the game's development roadmap. Just keep in mind to alter the difficulty or threat level to secure the high-tier armory data necessary for each set piece. So if you're ready to embark on the journey to obtain the Deathwatch armor set, remember, the more you play, the closer you'll be to that sleek, battle-hardened look. Now, go forth and dominate the battlefield. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Oh, and one more thing, why don't Space Marines ever get lost? Because they always know the way to the warp gate.